Hey, if you are looking to make passive income online, please pay attention to this video review. CB Passive Income Review. Does it sometimes seem that you are the only person not making a secondary income online? The quickest way to change that is to sell other people's products and receive commissions. And the advent of the internet and digital media that people will pay for has made that super simple. But you need a plan. CB Passive Income is an internet marketing system designed and created by Patrick Chan for internet marketing beginners. It shows you a method to making a serious passive online income, a step-by-step plan to increase the likelihood of success. Essentially, it's a crash course in digital marketing, and you also will receive a product to promote, squeeze page to collect leads, and a sales funnel, all done for you to get you started fast. This is one of those programs which really doesn't require that you do much other than send traffic to your offers. Chan understands that the majority of beginners online get overloaded with too much information. That's why he decided to do the majority of the work for you. All you need to do is send potential buyers to the squeeze page and collect resulting commissions. Commissions average 50% in the digital marketplace, sometimes more. That's pretty much the only thing that you would have to focus your time and attention on, getting those eyeballs on your offer. CB Passive Income is more effective than many of the other strategies and guides out there which attempt to teach you 1,000 different things, which then caused information overload. But this system is easy to follow and it delivers when you take action. Click the link below for success stories from people using CB Passive Income. Is it for you? The pros. The product is very affordable and at a one-time low payment, has no monthly repeat billing unless you choose that option. Patrick is a good teacher and the steps you need to take are easy to follow. Most of the work has already been done for you, so your sales funnel will be set up quickly. The program also covers a variety of different ways to drive traffic to your new squeeze pages. You can actually pick the traffic method you decide to use. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever you are most comfortable with, but it's best to focus on just one. The product is one of the top sellers on ClickBank, the online platform for digital products. This is the social proof that you might be looking for, so click the link beneath this video for more details. You don't need to pay for hosting, write sales copies or create your own content. The system takes care for everything. All you need to do is focus on traffic. And, like all products sold on ClickBank, it has a 60-day no-questions-asked refund policy. The cons. The product truly is an online bestseller. However, it does, like many money-related courses, come across as a bit hypey. And as with the majority of online products about making money, you too will have to go through a sales funnel, with optional downsells and upsells, but it's a great way to see what your visitors will see. Remember that it's all optional. Many beginners in online marketing fail simply by not following through and taking action. There is no such thing as a push-button, make money system online. You have to and must put in the work. This is something that you need to consider. Are you ready to put in the effort and not give up? You shouldn't expect to become an overnight millionaire. There is work to be done. So, should you get it? If you are trying to get some cash flowing in a passive manner from the internet, this is a good starting point. The system is very simple to follow. Once you achieve some success, you can move on to more advanced tactics. If you want to start making money from the internet, to simply to pay a few bills or even to potentially quit your job, this is something that you should look into. Click the link beneath this video for more information. And don't forget to like our video. For more details on creating a passive income online, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Now click that link for more information on how to take that first step.